To set goals in a Wealthfront traditional IRA, start by logging into your Wealthfront account and navigating to the Goals section. Here you can create and manage multiple goals, such as retirement, a down payment on a house, or a big purchase. First, click on the Create a Goal button and select the type of goal you want to create. For example, if you want to create a retirement goal, select Retirement and choose the type of retirement account you want to use. In this case, a traditional IRA. Next, set the target amount you want to save for your goal and the target date by which you want to achieve it. For a traditional IRA, the contribution limit is a key consideration, so make sure to factor that in when setting your target amount. Wealthfront will then provide you with a recommended investment plan and a savings schedule to help you reach your goal. You can adjust this plan as needed to fit your individual circumstances and risk tolerance. It is also important to consider the tax implications of a traditional IRA, as contributions are tax-deductible but withdrawals are taxed as ordinary income. This should be factored into your overall financial plan and goal-setting strategy. To get the most out of your Wealthfront traditional IRA, make sure to take advantage of the tax benefits and automated investment features. Set up automatic contributions to make saving easier and less prone to being neglected. By following these steps and considering these key concepts, you can effectively set goals in a Wealthfront traditional IRA and make progress towards achieving your long-term financial objectives. Regularly review and update your goals as your circumstances change to ensure you stay on track and make any necessary adjustments to your investment plan. This will help you maximize the benefits of your traditional IRA and achieve a secure financial future.